Welcome back to my channel, Math and Language, and we're going to discuss two-tangent external angle theorem. So let's have the introduction. The measure down ng angle formed by two tangents of a circle intersecting at a point in the exterior daw ng circle ay kalahati daw ng absolute value ng difference of the measures ng intercepted arcs. So check na lang natin yung figure. So ito yung tangent. Ang tangent, yung line na nagtatouch lang sa isang point dito sa circle. So tangent siya dito at dito din tangent siya. At yung exterior angle, ito yun. Ito yung exterior angle. So may dalawa tayong arcs. So ito yung major arc, yung malaking arc, at yung mas maliit na arc. So yung formula na gagamitin natin dito is para makuha yung angle C, itong bigger arc, minus natin siya sa smaller arc. So, ginawa lang siya ng absolute value para hindi maging negative. Kung mawawala man yung absolute value, make sure na dapat mauna muna yung larger arc bago yung maliit na arc. At yung sagot dito, divide natin ng 2 para makuha yung exterior angle. So, we have, yan nga, measure of angle is equal to larger arc minus mo ng smaller arc at divide mo ng 2 para makuha to. Let's have the first example. So, ang given natin dito, yung arc ADB is 220 degrees. At ang smaller arc naman natin, that will be 140 degrees. Ginapahanap sa atin ang angle C. So, lagyan natin yung formula. Ang measure ng angle daw dito ay yung larger arc, ma-minus mo siya sa smaller arc divided by 2. So, that will be yung angle C ay 220. Ma-minus mo siya dito sa 140. At yung sagot yan, divide mo ng 2. Simplify natin. 220 minus mo ng 140. That will be 80 degrees. Divide mo ng 2. That will be 40 degrees. So, itong angle na to, pag may dalawang tangent daw at nang-form sila ng external angle, that will be 40 degrees. Dito. Next one. Paano kapag yung binigay lang is yung major arc o yung mas malaking arc? Pinapanap sa atin ang angle C. So, para magawa natin yan, alamin muna natin, ang total measure ng circle is 360. So, para makuha mo itong mas maliit na arc, 360 minus mo ng 240, that will be 120. So, 120 daw to. Itong arc BEA. So, dahil alam na natin yung major arc at minor arc, malalaman na natin kung yung measure ng angle C. So, yung angle C or yung exterior angle, that will be 240 degrees. Minus mo sa 120, at yung sagot yan, divide mo ng 2. So, simplify mo, 240 minus mo ng 120, that will be 120 degrees. Divide mo ng 2, that will be 60. So, 60 degrees yung measure ng exterior angle dito. Let's move on to example number 3. Paano naman kapag yung minor arc yung binigay? So, same lang naman din kanina. Again, the total measure ng circle daw ay 360. So, 360 minus 1 ng 100, that will be 260. So, 260 tong malaking arc. Lagyan natin yung formula. So, 260 tong malaking arc, minus mo siya sa smaller arc. Yung sagot yan, i-divide natin ng 2. So, 260 minus 1 ng 100, that will be 160. I-divide natin siya ng 2. Ang sagot ay 80 degrees. So, exterior angle natin dito ay 80 degrees. Let's move on to another example. Paano kapag ang binigay lang ay exterior angle? Paano yun? Napahanap sa atin yung major arc at yung smaller arc. So, let's find out. So, lagyan natin ng variable. yung maliit na arc, let's say, x muna siya. At yung mas malaking arc, that will be 360 minus x. Remember, sa circle again, 360 degrees siya. So, para makuha natin to, that will be 360 minus x. Now, measure ng angle daw, yung formula nito, yung larger arc, yun, minus mo siya sa smaller arc, makukuha mo ay 2. Yung larger arc, minus mo ng smaller arc, divide mo ng 2 para makuha yung measure ng angle na to. So, let's find out. So, substitute natin. Yung measure ng exterior angle ay 55 degrees. Next, ang larger arc. Lagyan mo lang to dito. 360 degrees minus x. At ang smaller arc, that will be x. So, 360 degrees minus x. Minus mo ng x. At divide natin ng 2. Gamitin natin ng algebra. Cross-multiply natin para mawala yung denominator. Okay. So, remove muna lang natin muna yung... Simplify muna natin yung nasa numerator. That will be 360 degrees minus mo ng 2x. So, mas malinis na yung sa numerator. We need to multiply both sides by 2 para mawala yung denominator. At magiging 110 degrees siya. At mawawala na yung 2 sa denominator. So, isolate natin yung negative 2x. So, that will be negative 250 degrees is equal to negative 2x. Divide both sides by negative 2 para makuha natin yung value ng x. And we have 125 degrees is equal to x. So, baliktarin ko lang. Wala naman nagbago sa value. And there we have it. X is equal to 125 degrees. Okay. Ngayon, para makuha natin to 360 minus natin ng 125, ang sagot ay 235 degrees. So, nakuha na natin ang larger arc na ADB at ang smaller arc na AEB. And that is the end of the lesson on how to find or how to solve two-tangent exterior angle theorem. And kung may assignment kayo or if you would like to comment or suggest, again, at kung may assignment kayo, please comment down below. This is James, your math and language instructor. Please like and subscribe. And also, I have an English version of this one. So, lalagay ko lang siya sa description box below. Thank you again and goodbye.